Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be learning how to create our own website. Open the browser. In the taskbar of the browser, type www.wordpress.com. As soon as you enter the wordpress.com, this web screen will come into your front. So for all the starters who will be creating their website for the first time, they need to click an option Get Started. As soon as you press this button, the following screen will pop up into your home page. Now, what does it say? It says, let us create a site and we need to answer the following questions for the efficient creation of your website. The first question says, what would you like to name your site? Here we will be giving the name which we want to publish as our website name. Now for this, for example, let's take an example of ABC Corporation. That is the name of our website. And the second is, what will your site be about? Now we have to define what kind of work this website or this organization does. So for that we need to define it's a business consultant. This option you can see in the drop down menus, and there are multiple options which you need to select so as to make it more efficient. For example, share your ideas, experiences that we are going to do, sell products in the future course of time, for education and training purposes, and to promote business skills and organizational events. Now for the beginners, we would be selecting first option, as we don't have any idea how to create our website. Then we will press continue. Now it asks for the name of your website. Now as we have given ABC Corporation, we would type the same here. Now this would provide what would be the best possible names that can be opted for your website. Now one of the best recommendation is abccorporation.blog. We don't want to go with the numbers, we will be selecting just ABC Corporation as a blog. It has already been opted by someone. So we will select ABC Corporation Limited. Let's see what username we get. Now the free web address that we are getting is ABC Corporation Limited India.wordpress.com. Now we have a multiple payment options, but we will not be going with this. We will start with the free option. Now as our name has already came up, ABC Corporation Limited India, they need an email ID for the creation of the website. For example, let us take as mine. This is and we have to, so is already selected. we're choosing the option password. We need to make at least 6-digit passwords. Now it shows us the message congratulations, your website is live. Now we would go to the option view my site. Now this is ABC Corporation Limited. This is the basic homepage that you get as soon as you create your website. Now there are multiple options through which you can customize your website. For example, there is a one customization option on your extreme right downside. By clicking it, it will take you to a new home page where there are multiple options how you can customize your website. Now the first one is site identity. This will let us customize the name, the tagline, the logo of your corporation. For example, the name that we have given is ABC Corporation. The tagline we can choose is business consultant. Now this will start appearing on your home screen. We can update it or we can publish it. The second option that we have is opt for background and colors. We can opt for different colors as we wish. We can opt for different patterns. This will customize your coloring patterns. The second one is the font. A default theme has been selected. You can alter that depending upon your wishes, whether you want it on a small scale or a normal or a large, and the type of font which you wish to choose. Now the base font would help you to choose for the required font which will appear in the different blocks and menus. Now you can see as I have chosen a different font, the style has changed. The next one is the header image. There are some default images that have been already given. You can choose either from them or you can choose your own. For example, let us choose this option. Now this will provide, see, it has altered the image on your basic page. Okay, save the changes. This would be published. Now for confirmation of our mail address, we need to confirm the mail ID through which we have created our website. For that we need to log into our email address. We have received one activation mail. You can see it here and click here to confirm now. As soon as you click it, this will take you to the draft position of your website. Now you can see we have this home page of our website, and there are different options that are available for selection. We go to the customize option again. Now you will see now this menu option is open. Until now we cannot access this menu option. Now if we want to name any menu, for example, we create a home page. And under home page we create contacts, we create blogs, we create about us, now as you can see you have created a home menu under which there are two sub menus, which is contact and blogs. So you can create multiple menus depending upon your requirement. Then you have the content option. Content option gives you the domain through which you can add multiple things to the current website. For example, we can display the date, we can display multiple categories that we have, we can display the different tags, authors, and so on. The next option is widgets. These widgets help us to create different sub-menus for example, if we want to create a gallery, we can add multiple options to it depending upon our requirements, and we can make changes accordingly. Now we have some home settings, whether we want our page to be static or it can keep on updated depending upon your updation in the home page. Then the important one is our theme option. This option gives us how we want to create our web pages. For example, which one want to be the first page and so on, which one want to be the second page and so on. You can say the following changes will appear in your website. I have chosen first one to be my home page and the second one my blog. So these are all the basic menus which will help you to create your own website, and you can make different alterations as you wish as you proceed. This would give us the prima facie appearance. You can see here this is